Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin with our book that is Pebbles of Grammar of Class 4 by Galaxy Publications. Hello everyone. Let's begin with a new chapter that is chapter number 7 and its name is Pronouns. Pronouns. We have studied about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are basically naming words. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. But when I say pronoun, what are pronouns? Pronouns are basically words which we use in place of nouns. यानी कि संज्ञा के स्थान पे प्रयुक्त होने वाले शब्दों को हम बुलाते हैं pronouns. For example, they have asked us to read certain sentences. Now let's read them quickly. Harry is absent. Harry is ill. Now in this sentence what are we doing is we are using the word Harry. हम Harry जो noun है हम उसको बार बार use कर रहे हैं. We are using it twice. We replace the word Harry in the second sentence as Harry is absent. He is ill. अब हमने इस सेंटेंस में क्या किया है? हमने हैरी को रिप्लेस कर दिया है सेकेंड सेंटेंसेस में और उसकी जगह यूज किया है ये, दैट इज ही. तो सेंटेंस क्या बन गया? नाउ द सेंटेंस इज हैरी इज एब्सेंट, ही इज इल. सो हैरी इज अ नाउन एंड व्हाट इज ही? ही इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ हैरी. हैरी जो है हमने उसको रिप्लेस करके ही लगा दिया है और ही वो शब्द है जिसको हमने रिप्लेस किया है. फाइन. द वर्ड ही इज अ प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट इज ही? ही इज अ pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Hence, you can define what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. The words he, she, it, we, I, you, they, them, me, us, mine and him. What are they? They are all pronouns. They are used in place of nouns. इन सबको हम nouns की place पे यूज करते हैं. नाउन को हटा दो और इनको यूज करते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोनाउंस गिवन अबव आर यूज्ड टू रेफर पर्सन्स. ये जितने भी प्रोनाउंस हैं ज्यादातर इनमें से हम यूज करते हैं लोगों के लिए. वी यूज इट फॉर पर्सन्स. सो दे आर कॉल्ड व्हाट? दे आर कॉल्ड एज पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. फाइन. हम इनको किसी पर्सन के लिए यूज करते हैं इसलिए हम इन वाले प्रोनाउंस को ज्यादातर जो हैं ये इनमें से हम इनको कहते हैं personal pronouns. Let's now read further. Now in the next page it is saying that a personal pronoun that refers to the subject of a sentence is called a subject pronoun. एक ऐसा personal pronoun जो कि subject के लिए refer कर रहा है तो हम उसको क्या बुलाएंगे? We will call it as subject pronoun. Now subject pronouns include what? I, he, she, it, we, they and you. इनको हम कहेंगे subject pronouns. Subject pronouns found at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so this is a fact which you should know about subject pronouns. They are usually found at the beginning of a sentence. I am very tired. Now I is written on the beginning, hence it is a subject pronoun. She is a good singer. We are going to Nainital. You should not tell lies. He is very honest boy. It is a big house. They are not afraid of dark. तो ये सब हमारे I, she, we, you, he, it or they all are what? They all are subject pronouns. A personal pronoun that refers to the object of a verb or a preposition is called an object pronoun. What is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun which actually refers to the object of the verb or preposition. And one more thing about object pronouns is that they always come after the verb or the preposition. वो हमेशा verb या preposition के बाद आते हैं. और जबकि subject pronouns कहाँ होते हैं? They are found in the beginning of the sentence. For example, I requested him to lend me his book. Now the spelling over here is wrong. It is L-E-N-D. Lend. Okay, to ask something or to request something to give. Okay, this is L-E-N-D. I requested him to lend me his book. Father had given me enough money. The police came and arrested them. So these all are pronouns which have been used after the verbs or the preposition. Then we come to possession. Now what is possession? Possession can be shown by personal pronouns like how? Mine, his, hers, ours, yours and their. I के लिए mine हो जाता है, he के लिए his, girl के लिए hers यूज करते हैं, we के लिए ours, you के लिए yours और they के लिए theirs. Fine. They refer to a previously named noun. जो noun हमने जिसका नाम पहले यूज किया है उसके लिए फिर हम इस possession में ऐसे words को यूज करेंगे और इनको हम बुलाते हैं possessive noun. Now the next word that is given over here is possession. What is possession? Means to have something. Now possession means कि कोई चीज किसी को belong करती है. Possession can be shown by personal pronouns like mine, his, hers, ours, yours and their. Now for I we use the word mine. He के लिए हम his use करते हैं. She, hers. We use ours. You, for you we show yours as a possession and for they we are using their as their possession. They refer to a previously named noun. यानी कि ये जो possession है, ये जो words है, pronouns है, किससे related है? They are referring to a noun which was named earlier. For example, they have given you have your book and I have mine. Now you के लिए देखो क्या use किया गया है? You के साथ use किया गया है your. You have your book and I have mine. I के लिए कौन सा pronoun they have used? They have used mine. Yours is a possessive pronoun and your is a possessive adjective. Okay. Now this is the difference between the two. जब हम s लगा देते हैं तो ये बन जाता है एक possessive pronoun. Whereas जब हमने s remove कर दिया और ये simply क्या बन गया है? your. तो ये बन गया है हमारा possessive adjective. You will learn the different uses of your and yours in your next class. So only you should know what is that yours is a possessive pronoun and your it is possessive adjective. Then let's read the sentences given below. This is my pen. These are my books. Such was his understanding. That is our house. And those are my friends. So, in this sentence, they are actually trying to demonstrate you or show that this is my pen. Now, which pen I am talking about? I am talking about this pen. So, I am demonstrating to you something. The words this, that, these, those and such, they all are called as demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun demonstrates a certain noun. It is used to point out the object for which it is used. So, they are basically pointing out about the object which you are talking about, which you are trying to deliver in your sentence. These are my books. So, these are my books. Such was his understanding. Such was his understanding. So, we are pointing out at the understanding. We are pointing out at the books. These are demonstrative pronouns. Now, let's move to the next page. On the next page, again they have given us certain sentences. Now, let's quickly read them. Who is your best friend? They are given here the word who. Means they are asking the question. What are you eating? The word what and the question mark again denotes it's a question. That means a question is being asked. When is your birthday? Again, when and question mark. They are telling you that this is a interrogative question. And what is when, what and who? The words who, what and when. They are used to begin a question. Hence, they are called as interrogative pronouns. So we will call them as interrogative pronouns. An interrogative pronoun asks the question about the noun which it stands for. Understood? So what is who, what and when? They are interrogative pronouns and they are asking a question about the noun. Now let's do the practice question quickly. I hope the chapter is clear to you now. Now the first question given over here for the practice is underline the pronouns. We have to underline the pronouns and then we have to state their kinds also, whether it is first person, second person or third person. One example has been given for you. Now quickly let's read it. Can you tell me the time? Now here you is the second person and me is what? It is the first person. So in the first sentence similarly we have three pronouns given over here. She has her doll and I have mine. She, her and I. Now what is she and her? She and her, they are all third person. Whereas when I say I is the first person. They wanted him to attend the party. They and him. There are two pronouns here and both of them are third person. They and him. It is third person. Then the next one, that is the third one. It is we should not behave like them. We should not behave like them. We and them. So here we is what? We are talking about ourselves. So this is first person and them. Them मतलब उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. जिस किसी से बात कर रहे हैं नहीं, हम किसी तीसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो this is third person. Then the fourth one is she came to see him in the hospital. She and him, they both are third person. Then the fifth one, she told them to be attentive. Again, she and them, it is also again third person. She and them. The sixth is she requested me to help her. All again are what? They are third person. She, her and me. Me also? No, me is not. Me is like we are talking about ourselves. So me is first person. So she and her will be third. And me is what? It is first person. Then the seventh statement is they do not have any money with them. Again, they and them, they are third person. Do not forget to give me a call before you leave for Delhi. Me is first person. And you is second person. Then the next one, that is the ninth one and the last one of this question. I want to play with you. Now what is I? I is first person and you is second person. So with this, we have completed the question number A. Now let's do question number B. Question number B is fill in the blanks with the suitable personal pronoun. हमें suitable personal pronoun sentence को read करके fill करना है. And the first one is who is sitting behind? Now what will come? I or you? And the answer is you. The next one, she is sitting between dash. She is sitting between them. T-H-E-M. them. That is a beautiful bird. Look at dash. Then when we are talking about bird, we will use it. So this was all about this page. Let's now move to next page. The fourth statement given over here is, if you want some food, take dash from the kitchen. And what will be the answer? The answer is take it. Then here are some fruits, put dash in the basket. Here are some fruits, put them in the basket. Then the sixth one, she is thirsty, give. Now we are talking about a girl, so we will write here her. Give her a glass of juice. The girls are here. Do you want to talk to dash? Now there the girls is plural, so we will write here them. Do you want to talk to them? The girl wants some fruits, so give those fruits to. Now girl के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, singular person है, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे give those fruits to her. So with this we have completed the question number B. Now we'll begin with question number C. Question number C is, fill in the blanks with the suitable possessive pronouns. We have to use possessive pronouns. We'll read it and then we'll begin with it. First one is this bike yours? Yes, it is mine. Then the next one, Meena has her toys but Reena does not have. मीना के पास टॉयज हैं लेकिन रीना does not have hers. Then the third one, I think this house belongs to you. Yes, it is mine. Then the next one, is that your bicycle? No, it is not mine. Then the next one, that is the fifth one, is, are these your books? No, they are not theirs. The house at the corner is yours. You can write yours. Yes, this is appropriate. This pen is mine, not yours. So with this, we have completed question number C. Now we'll do question number D. Question number D is, fill in the blanks with the suitable interrogative pronouns. यानी कि हमें यहाँ पे वो वाले pronouns लिखने हैं जो कि हमें question को complete करने में help करेंगे. The first one is, dash is there at the gate. We'll write here, who is there at the gate. Then the next one, dash were you yesterday? What will be the correct word? Where? Where were you yesterday? Then the next one, with dash did you stay in London? With whom? किसके साथ तुम लंदन में रुके? Fourth one is, dash did you do with so much money? What did you do with so much money? Fifth one, dash of the cars belongs to you. Which of the cars belong to you? Next, dash is knocking at the door. Who is knocking at the door? Dash, did you give the book to? Whom did you give the book to? So, this is it with the D question. Now, let's quickly do the last question of this chapter, that is the E question. Fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns आपको यहाँ fill करने हैं, like this, that, these, those. The first one is, this boy is fatter than him. Those are my cows. There are many cows in the field. They are mine. Fourth one, Dash is my best friend standing over there. He is my best friend standing over there. Fifth one, tomorrow we will go for a movie. Dash is quite certain. Tomorrow we will go for a movie. It is quite certain. Dash are the stars we saw last night. Those are the stars we saw last night. And with this, we have completed the whole chapter. We have completed the exercises. I suppose you have now understood the chapter. Practice them thoroughly. Go through the chapter, and thank you for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.